Hello friends, myself is Anjana Pawar from HGM College Karad. Today we solve some examples which is based on the some important substitution for inverse trigonometric function. So differentiate the following function with respect to x. First example, y is equal to tan inverse of 2x cube divided by 1 minus x raised to 6. So your aim here, whatever your example, y is equal to tan inverse, y is equal to cot inverse, y is equal to sin inverse, y is equal to cos inverse, you can convert of this term in, if here tan inverse, so either we convert into tan या cot. If here sin inverse, we can convert here sin or cos. Sec inverse, we can convert cosec and sec. So I want here this term we can convert into tan term or cot term. That time we can substituting some here substitution methods. We can use here substitution method. So here 2 multiplies x cube divided by 1 minus x raised to 6. This we can write tan inverse of 2x cube divided by 1 minus x cube of square. This x cube we can write x cube x raised to 6 we can write x cube whole square. So this is the form of 2 something minus 1 minus something square. So this x cube we can put here tan theta. So put x cube is equal to tan theta. Immediately we can convert theta in tan inverse term. So theta is equal to tan inverse of x cube. We know that tan 2 theta, the formula is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Correct? So we get here y is equal to tan inverse of, we can substituting here x cube is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So this is a form of 2 tan theta formula. So we get here tan inverse of tan 2 theta, which is the identity formula. Tan inverse of tan theta we can write theta. So tan inverse of tan theta we can write 2 theta. Correct? Now theta replaced by tan inverse of x cube. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, 2 is constant. Now tan inverse of x cube, which is a composite function. So we can first find derivative of tan inverse and then we can find the derivative of x cube, because your standard function is tan inverse and sub function is x cube. So what is the derivative of tan inverse of x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So here 1 plus x cube whole square multiply again a derivative of x cube with respect to x. So x cube with respect to x, which is the standard formula, x raised to n. So what is the derivative of x cube, which is the 3x square. So we get here dy by dx is equal to 2 multiply 3 x square divided by 1 plus x raised to 6. So we get final answer 6x square divided by 1 plus x raised to 6. Okay. So whenever is tan inverse in term 2x cube divided by 1 minus x raised to 6, the answer is 6x square divided by 1 plus x raised to 6. Now next example, y is equal to y is equal to tan inverse inside the bracket 8x divided by 1 minus 15x square. Okay. Now again my same है, tan inverse inside the bracket whatever term either we convert into tan term या cot term. But यहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा भी substitution नहीं है, because this 8x I want here 2. So here suppose हमने लिखने की कोशिश की 2 multiply 4x, but 4x यहाँ पे तो 4x नहीं है. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we can use here which formula, tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of means we can convert this term in form of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, which is the answer is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. मीन्स यहाँ पे आप लोग ध्यान रखो कि जब इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल्स आते हैं कि इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट डिनोमिनेटर डिवाइडेड बाय न्यूमरेटर, न्यूमरेटर डिवाइडेड बाय डिनोमिनेटर, that time numerator and denominator also polynomial function and denominator is contained polynomial function with degree 2, 1 minus 15x square. So that time we use this formula. Means your aim is this 8x and this 15x convert in a such a way which is x plus y divided by x minus multiply y. So हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे 8x और 15x को इस तरह से दो नंबर में डिवाइड करना है कि जिसकी एडिशन 8x आनी चाहिए और जिसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 15 आना चाहिए. सो वी हैव tan इनवर्स ऑफ 8x वी कैन राइट 5x प्लस 3x. बिकॉज यहाँ पे एडिशन क्यों लिखना है, यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है. सो यहाँ पे माइनस साइन होगा तो उसका अपोजिट साइन ऊपर होगा विच इज द प्लस, और यहाँ पे प्लस साइन होगा तो उसका अपोजिट साइन ऊपर होगा विच इज अ माइनस. सो यहाँ पे 8x वी कैन राइट 5x प्लस 3x. सपोज 5x मल्टीप्लाई 3x हाउ मेनी 15. सो 1 माइनस 5x मल्टीप्लाई 3x. So those term we can write such a way. So this is known as tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. What is here x? 5x. What is here y? Tan inverse of 3x. So it is easy to differentiate because we have a formula tan inverse of x. What is formula? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon, this is the composite function because tan inverse of x, so here x replaced by 5x. Similarly this also composite function, the x replaced by 3x. So first we can find the derivative of standard form. What is standard form here? Tan inverse and then composite form 5x. So first हम लोग tan inverse का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. क्या होगा उसका डेरिवेटिव? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So 1 upon 1 plus 5x whole square. And again a derivative of 5x with respect to x. Same procedure we can apply here. 1 upon 1 plus 3x whole square. And again a derivative of 3x with respect to x. So we get here dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 5x square which is 25x square multiply 5 the constant derivative of x which is 1. Similarly here 1 upon 1 plus 9x square and derivative of 3x, 3 is the constant derivative of x with respect to x which is 1. So this your final answer dy by dx is equal to 5 upon 1 plus 25x square plus 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. Now next example, third example, y is equal to tan inverse of cot inverse of 1 plus 35x square divided by 2x. We have any formula of tan cot inverse 1 plus xy divided by xy, yeah, cot inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So do not have any formula. We have only formula of tan inverse. So this cot we can convert into tan inverse term. So how to write cot convert into tan inverse? That time angle is reciprocal. So 1 plus 35x square divided by 2x, the angle reciprocal 2x divided by 1 plus 35x square. This is my first step. Now what is your next step? So your next step is 2x divided by 1 plus 35x square. So we can find those two numbers which is addition or subtraction which is 2 and multiplication is 35. So compulsory subtraction is 2 because here plus sign, so opposite sign here. So we can write y is equal to tan inverse of 7x minus 5x. 7 minus 5 which is 2x and 7 multiply 5 which is 35. So divided by 1 plus 7x multiply 5x which is a form of tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy which is the tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. So we get here y is equal to tan inverse of x which is 7x minus tan inverse of y which is 5x. Now again these both are composite form, so differentiate with respect to x by using a composite theorem as well as derivative of inverse theorem. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse which is 1 upon 1 plus x square which is 7x whole square, and again a derivative of 7x with respect to x minus as it is tan inverse 5x which is 1 upon 1 plus 5x whole square, and again a derivative of 5x with respect to x. So we get final answer dy by dx is equal to 7x derivative is 7, x is a x derivative which is 1 divided by 1 plus 49x square minus 5 is a constant, take it outside, x derivative which is 1. So 5 upon 1 plus 25x square. This is the final answer of this example. Now next y is equal to, fourth example, tan inverse of a plus b multiply tan x divided by b minus a multiply tan x. Okay, in this example we check here a plus b multiply tan x divided by b minus a multiply tan x. So again same way we can convert, but check here x plus y multiply here xy है नहीं है because here which term is absent, b term is absent, as well as denominator content this term is 1 है यहाँ पे नहीं है. So my first step is denominator and numerator divided by b. So my first step is denominator and numerator divided by b. So a upon b plus tan of x divided by b से divide हुआ 1 minus a upon b multiply tan of x divided by numerator and denominator by b. Now this is the easy form of tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So डायरेक्ट हमें मिला, यहाँ पे कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, only we can divide it by numerator and denominator by b. So we get here tan inverse a upon b plus tan inverse of tan x. Correct? Now so y is equal to tan inverse of a upon b as it is tan inverse of tan x, we get x because we have an identity formula. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to those whole term is constant, so derivative is 0 plus x derivative with respect to x which is 1, so answer is 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1. Now next example, y is equal to, fifth example, y is equal to tan inverse, y is equal to tan inverse 5 minus x divided by 6x square minus 5x minus 3. ओके, इसके पहले हमें क्या करना था कि जो भी नंबर है ऊपर का उसका दो नंबर में ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना था, उसका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन वो नंबर आना चाहिए, उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन नीचे वाला टर्म आना चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऊपर पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन है विच इज़ 5 माइनस 8, डिनोमिनेटर में 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x माइनस 3 नंबर है. सो दोज एग्जाम्पल वी कैन कन्वर्ट इन सच अ वे x प्लस वाई डिवाइडेड बाय 1 माइनस xy. So how to write this? Y tan inverse this term as it is, 5 minus x as it is. I want here 1. First term is 1. So 1 adjust किया, 1 add किया, 1 subtract किया. Okay? Plus whole term x square minus 5x minus 3. Now y is equal to tan inverse of 5 minus x as it is, correct, divided by 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So plus 6x square minus 5x minus 4. Now find those two numbers. We can find the factor of this quadratic equation. Find those two numbers, which is multiplication is minus 24 and addition subtraction is minus 5. So we get here y is equal to tan inverse 5 minus x as it is, divided by this one compulsory plus those two numbers, which is multiplication is minus 24 and addition subtraction is minus 5. The number is 6x square, number is minus 8 plus 3. So minus 8x plus 3x minus 4 as it is. Now find the factors. So y is equal to tan inverse of 5 minus x as it is, divided by 1 plus inside the bracket. In this term, which term is common? 2x is common. Take it outside. 2x is common. Inside the bracket, 3x minus 4. In this term, which term is common? Plus 1 is common. Take it outside. Inside the bracket, 3x minus 4. Now, next. So we get here y is equal to tan inverse of 5 minus x as it is, divided by 1 plus 1 bracket contain 2x plus 1, second bracket contain 3x minus 4. Correct? Now I want adjust these two terms here, which is answer is 5 minus x. मीन्स हमें क्या करना है, ये दो फैक्टर से ऊपर इस तरह से एडजस्ट करने हैं, उसका सब्ट्रैक्शन मुझे क्या आना चाहिए, 5 माइनस एक्स. चेक करो, यहाँ पे 3x माइनस 5 है, यहाँ पे 2x प्लस 1 है. सपोज वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर. सो 2x प्लस 1 एज इट इज माइनस 3x माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस, which is 4. So 2x minus 3x, which is x, and 1 plus 4, which is 5. So इन टू फैक्टर्स को ऊपर माइनस के हिसाब से एडजस्ट करना है. सो हमें क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे, y is equal to tan inverse of these two terms. We can adjust here 2x plus 1 minus means 5 minus x मिलेगा हमें minus 3x minus 4. So if you simplify, we get the same term here, divided by 1 plus 2x plus 1 multiply 3x minus 4. Now this is the form of tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus x multiply y. So we get here y is equal to tan inverse of 2x plus 1 minus tan inverse of 3x minus 4. Now this is a composite form. So again a differentiate with respect to x, we use a composite theorem as well as inverse theorem. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon derivative 1 plus x square. So derivative 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square, and again a derivative of 2x plus 1. So again a derivative of 2x plus 1 with respect to x minus, again we can find the derivative tan inverse 3x minus 4, which is 1 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4. So 1 upon 1 plus 3x minus 4, and again a derivative of 3x minus 4 with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square as it is, and derivative of 2x plus 1, which is u plus v form. 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1. So here multiply 2 and 1 derivative 0 minus 3x minus 4 का derivative 3 is constant, derivative of x is 1, and minus 4 is constant, derivative 0. So we get here 3 divided by 1 plus 3x minus 4 whole square. So we get final answer dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 1 whole square minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3x minus 4 whole square. So I hope you understand this type of example how to simplify. Again repeat, if tan inverse in term 5 minus x divided by 6x square minus 5x minus 3, so that time we convert in this form x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, yeah, x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. So that time we can factorize this term, and these two factors we can adjust in such a way we get a numerator term. Either we can addition, yeah, subtraction. Now one more example we can take here, same type. Sixth example, y is equal to cot inverse 4 minus x minus 2x square divided by 3x plus 2. Okay, so first step, this cot inverse convert into tan inverse. So y is equal to tan inverse, we can convert reciprocal of angle. So reciprocal angle 3x plus 2 divided by 4 minus x minus x square. Now next step, we can adjust here 1 because I want here 1. So first denominator term is 1. So 3x plus 2 as it is. Here denominator term first term is 1. So we can 1 adjust minus 1. 1 add किया, 1 minus किया. Remaining term as it is 4 minus x minus 2x square. Now next, y is equal to tan inverse 3x plus 2 divided by 1. इसमें से माइनस साइन कॉमन लेने का. So we get here minus inside the bracket this plus and minus 1 plus 4 which is plus 3. So minus 3. Again repeat करती हूँ. Minus plus means minus plus 4 which get plus 3. माइनस साइन कॉमनली, सो ये प्लस होगा, ये प्लस होगा और ये माइनस होगा. ओके, नाउ फैक्टर दोस टू नंबर विच फैक्टर ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. फाइंड दोस टू नंबर विच इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज minus 6 and addition subtraction is plus 1. So y is equal to tan inverse 3x plus 2 as it is divided by 1 minus क्या होगा 2x square. Find those two number which is multiplication is minus 6 and addition subtraction is plus 1. So plus 2x 3x minus 2x minus 3. Correct? Now y is equal to tan inverse 3x plus 2 as it is divided by 1 minus, in this term x is common, inside the bracket 2x plus 3. In this term minus 1 is common, 2x plus 3. Now so we get here y is equal to tan inverse inside the bracket 3x plus 2 as it is divided by 1 minus 1 bracket 2x minus plus 3x minus 1. Now those two terms adjust in such a way we get 3x plus 2. Means compulsory आपको इन दोनों की addition ही करनी है. Because यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, so these two terms added in numerator. So y is equal to tan inverse of 2x plus 3 plus x minus 1. चेक करो एडिशन क्या होगी 3x plus x और 2x plus x 3x 3 minus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2x plus 3 multiply x minus 1. Now this is the form of tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So we get here tan inverse x क्या है मेरा 2x plus 3 plus tan inverse of y क्या है मेरा x minus 1. Now it is a composite form, so we can use here composite theorem as well as inverse theorem. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan inverse 1 upon 1 plus x square which is 2x plus 3 whole square and again a derivative of 2x plus 3 with respect to x. Similarly here, derivative of tan inverse x minus 1, which is 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 whole square, and again a derivative of x minus 1 with respect to x. Now we get here dy by dx is equal to 2x. 2 is a constant, take it outside. X derivative is 1. 3 is a constant, derivative is 0. So 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3 whole square plus x derivative is 1 minus 1 derivative is 0. So plus 1 upon 1 plus x minus 1 whole square. So this is my final answer. So I hope you understand these examples. Now next lecture we study the logarithmic derivative. Okay, thank you.